Hey guys, Connor Marr with MarineMax Lake Wylie. Hope you guys are doing great today. Wanted to bring you out to the water to show you this 2024 Harris 210 Sunliner. So let's go ahead and start up in the bow and then work our way to the stern, show you guys some of the great features on this boat. So first and foremost, this boat is actually built out with everything you need and nothing you don't. It is a great, beautiful build, but start off with, up here in the bow of the Sunliner, you're gonna notice some really, really great aesthetic just additives to this boat with having cross-stitch bolstering going all the way through, so really giving it that warm interior that the Sunliner is. Now you're gonna have storage underneath all of your compartments here with just an easy pull of the little tab, and all the seats are on brackets as well, so that way you do not have to fumble with those seats as you're going through. Then, of course, out here on the bow, we also do have armrests as well, so adding to that comfort level that the Sunliner is going to provide. Then coming back here, we do have a changing room door. This is a great place to store the cover, as you can see here, or even some other items here and there. It's a great, great setup to put it down here. Then as we go over to the helm, again, going back to the everything you need and nothing you don't, it just has the 2 gauge setup on the dash, so super, super easy to see the information you need to see at all times, but nothing too fancy. So it's very, very easy for your beginner boater. Aside from that, we do have an upgraded steering wheel here to really, go back with that warm interior the Sunliner provides. Got many cup holders as well, so that way the driver can stay nice and hydrated. And then, of course, we have our Clarion Bluetooth radio, which is actually going to have a total of 4 speakers. There's going to be 2 up in the bow, and then there's actually going to be 2 more forward-facing on the back lounger here. So now as we get over to this L bench, it's great configuration here. Again, storage underneath, so super easy access to everything. Then we also do have a battery compartment with this boat is set up with a dual battery setup. So super easy to switch over batteries when you happen to hang out at the sandbar a little too long and kill some batteries. So now back here on our lounger, this is one of my favorite parts of the boat. So this is going to be a great place to not only hang out at, but to lounge, whether you're going to be sunbathing or just want a really, really great place to lounge out at. So awesome place back here. Again, one of my favorite. Then as we go back to the stern, do realize that we have the stern safety railing, which is going to encapsulate the stern, allow you to ride here underway. Very, very important option. So that way you can enjoy the entire boat bow to stern. Got great storage back here as well, with even a cooler that's inboard right over on this side. So easy to keep your drinks nice and cool for the whole day. And last but not least, of course, we got our beautiful tow bar matched up with the Mercury 150 horsepower motor. That's going to make this boat do everything you need, whether you're tubing, cruising, or just having a great day in the water. So anyways, guys, again, my name is Connor. I'm with MarineMax in Lake Wylie. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. Thank you.